Hello guys, this is me Saurav. As I promised you, today we will look what a deep agent is and how we can implement a deep agent in LangChain. Okay, now before jumping into the code, let's first understand what deep agent actually mean. How it is different from normal agent. So what is deep agent? Deep agent is basically a new kind of agent architecture introduced by LangChain. So traditional agent usually follow simple steps like take the user query, decide which tool to call tool, get result, and return the result. That's the simple flow. Okay, that's fine for simple agent, but it breaks down when you need a multiple step reasoning, planning, tool calls inside tool calls. This is where deep agent come in. Instead of just being shallow and reactive, deep agents are built as graph of reasoning steps. Okay. So think it like this, a single agent is like a single lane. It goes step by step in one direction. Okay. And a deep agent is like a city map. It can branch out, go deeper, retry, reflect, even run different reasoning paths in parallel. Okay. Key difference between normal agent and the agent deep agent is a normal agent just is a flat loop following a flat loop, decide, act, observe, return your answer, that's it. Limited for complex reasoning, work fine for simple tool calls. But deep agent built on top of LangGraph. You have heard of, or I think you are familiar with the graph based execution in LangGraph. It supports branching, recursion, retries, and nested tool calls. Better at handling complex workflows, the research pipeline, multiple agent collaboration, or reasoning that need reflection and verification. Okay, so in short, deep agent takes agent to next level. They make them more flexible, more reliable, and better at handling complex tasks than normal agent. Okay, so now let's see how we can implement and how we can use deep agent to make agentic workflow. So now let's start. We will make a new folder and we can name it deep agent, whatever you want, name it. Open it and we will open our VS Code in this. Okay, so you can use it pip or anything. I am using UV for this. So open a new terminal, type UV in it. So UV will make a new main.py. You can run it by UV run main.py. So now let's jump to deep agent repository. And in this deep agent repository, you can find a research agent already implemented in this. So we will just copy this. Okay, and we will paste in this. Okay, so before this we have to create a requirement.txt. We will add all the necessary dependencies like LangChain, LangChain, OpenAI, because we are using, we will use OpenAI. Also, we will use LangChain uh, Olama. Okay, I have added all the dependencies, needed dependencies here, and we will also add if we need some other dependencies while making the agent. Okay, so let's install our dependencies. Uv pip install does r. So it will take some time. So it's our environment is ready. Okay, so we need Tably API. So for Tably API, we have to go to Tably and you have to log in. And in login, you will create a new API key here and you can copy from here. Okay. So for this, I will provide the link of this Tably. So for this, we have to create a new .env file. And in this .env, we have to define our Tably API key. Tably API key. Okay. And in this code, what we have to do, import from .env load.env and load.env load.env. Okay. So this is for loading our API key, Tably API key from this. And now we have to import whatever LLM provider you need to use, whatever you want. So for example, I'm using OpenAI in this. So for OpenAI, from LangChain OpenAI import chat OpenAI. Now after that we have to give define the model, which model we want to use. So model is equal to chat OpenAI and temperature 0, max token 1024. So it's fine. And last we have to define result, which is equal to agent invoke messages, and then we have to define the user role and content. Yes, you are right. So whatever a question you want to ask, you can ask here. So I will ask what is lang graph? Okay. And after that, we have to print this result. And if you want to see only final answer, so let's final result, then messages. So because we have everything in message messages, and this -1 and content dot content print final answer. So our code is ready, I think. Okay, so let's uh, go through our code. So what it is doing here. So first of all, we have a internet search tool, which is basically a Tavily. You can give a specific topic. We are putting it journal, and then you have the subagent. One subagent is basically research subagent. One is a subcritic subagent, which is behave like a critic, and you have to give the proper prompt. And for the sub-agent, you have to define the sub-agent, what it is. So name is sub-agent, description used for research, more depth question, prompt, what prompt it is using. It is using this prompt, this particular prompt. And tool, you can give multiple tool, but for now we have only internet search tool. So this is what the agent look like. Then we have one more sub-agent. Same we will do to this. Name the an agent, description of this agent, and prompt. But we don't given the tool because it don't need internet search. And then we have to do final our expert agent, the main agent. So main agent, the prompt of the main agent. And after doing all this, we have to just define the main agent. So this is our main agent, and so what are the sub agents we are using. So ever we have made critic sub agent, research sub agent, and we have given here and which model we want to use. If you don't give the model, it will automatic try to use Anthropic. So here we want to use chat OpenAI. So let's run this. Run main.py. So I have just asked a simple question, what is LangGraph? It will take some time. Okay, so we have detailed research about LangGraph, and you can see everything here. And the final answer is, you can see it, LangGraph is a library within LangChain ecosystem that provides framework. So it's a detailed, very good research, I think. And this agent workflow is working very good. And we also have the links from where it is. So basically giving the source also. So it's very good. Okay, we have done with this, and for now, I have created one different project from that research, normal research agent. This is basically a job finder, not job finder. It will find the job for us, um, and then write cover letter for different kind of job postings. Okay, so it is very useful nowadays. So if you look, we have sub-agents job finder. It will basically find a job for me and then filter out the jobs according to skill and experience and the location. And then a sub-agent known cover letter agent, sub-agent. Basically what it will do, it will write the uh, cover letter for us. Okay. This is our main agent. It will do work with all different sub-agents and provide us the final result. Okay. So everything is same, just query is the data science job in the Bangalore remote hybrid. Here is a message what we want, like generate a cover letter. My skill is Python, machine learning, SQL, 4 year of experience, salary 18 to 22 LPA. Like this, you can edit whatever you want. And let's run this. UV run job rs.py. Let's see. We are using Olama model for now. Everything is local, everything. So if we change the Travelly to DuckDuckGo, this has become totally free, local. So it's done. We have three job openings for data scientist, ABC company and DEF startup, then GHI venture, JKL industry, four basically we have four, and this is the cover prompt letter template. You can just change the company template and write it. Okay, so it's good. We can make it it's an example. We are just testing. We can make it a full working agent for our writing cover letter. Okay, so you can see we are using Olama model here, which is basically local, running on Olama. For this, if you don't have idea, you can install Olama. For installing Olama, you can go and search Olama download. So you can basically download from here. So I have already downloaded this Olama and also pull one model. So for checking of model, you can check Olama list, and we have this model running. And also I have written down one Streamlit file to connect with our job research deep agent. For this, we have to install a Streamlit and then UV add Streamlit. So it is installed. So we have to run UV run Streamlit run and name of the file app.py. So we have this small minimal UI for our deep agent using Streamlit, and here you can use whatever you want to give the task and search the job. Okay, and let's wait. So this is the template we have. So we have this. It has generated the cover letter for our job specification. So it's done. It's generated the job cover letter for data scientist position and a specific salary expectations. Okay, so this is the cover letter, and you can play with it. You can change the job profile also, and also change the code to do certain kind of stuff like saving it in a file, cover letter in a file, write a proper cover letter, authentic cover letter like that. So it's you can play with it. So thank you. Bye. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a like. Do comment if you have any kind of question or any suggestion for me. Uh, and also subscribe to my channel. I try to make videos on what new things are going around in AI field. Okay. So thank you so much.